goal of this tutorial is to demonstrate the main feature of SemT-UI, which supports the extension by linking paradigm for tables. After logging in, you can get access to the dataset that includes tables, and if you open a table, we get access to the menu, which is on the top right, dealing with the whole table, like automatic annotation, while above the table, you can see the menu that deals with single columns and cells. There is a help button on the right, which is a question mark that starts a tutorial that includes the text and animated GIF to illustrate the main features. Let's assume we want to reconcile the first column, the title of the movies. After selecting the column, the reconcile button becomes available, and you can get access to a set of services. We decide to link against the Wikidata, and using OpenRefine, we click and we confirm, and so the service now is performing the linking. After returning, you can get a visual feedback by looking at the icon associated with the single cells. The meaning is explained in the tutorial page annotation symbol, where you can learn that successful reconciliation is green, while yellow is uncertain reconciliation, which means that there are multiple candidates with similar scores, so the algorithm was not able to decide which is the right one. You can verify the accuracy of the links by clicking, and you can get the access to the metadata of the cells, where you can learn that, for example, in this case, there are more than one candidate with 100 score, and you can learn what are the types that can be used to disambiguate the choice. And if you check the metadata of the successful one, you can see that there is 100 score only for one single, which is a movie. Film is a type, while others like album or Wikidata article. If you want to select the candidate of type film for the entire column, you can select the column, use the refined matching feature that opens these pop-ups where you can select the correct movie. After that selection, you can see that all the cells became linked, and then you can confirm, and here you can see all cells have been reconciled. Let's do now automatic annotation that exploit Alligator, which is a sophisticated tool for semantic table interpretation we have developed. As you can see, all the parts of the table have been reconciled. Columns has been labeled as entities, subject, or literals. You can see there are properties. All entities have been reconciled except for 3, likely too ambiguous for the automated decision algorithm. As we can see, the Walt Disney picture label has been reconciled, so we can verify it and take note of the correct matching. So we can now change the unmatched one, adding manually this link that we found. So we have the ID and the official name in Wikidata and the link we can add. We are now asked to apply this change only to the current cell or propagate it to all the identical cells in the column, which is the second option, so that now all the cells have been reconciled correctly. We can now augment the table by adding, for example, the screenwriter using the extension features which is available for reconciled columns. We can select the Wikidata property service. Using the suggest feature, we can get the list of the available properties with their frequency, and so we can select screenwriter. This adds new column with reconciled entities